Move Einstein to the spelling igloo. Sing the alphabet song A to Z and repeat it and find H. H is blue and that means it belongs to the consonant group. Did you know that the letter H has two sounds? Yes, that's correct. The most common sound is still the H sound, the first one, but there are a few words where the sound changes. We will deal with that much later in grade 4-5. For now, you only need to focus on the first sound, but we still teach you both movements so that you know we're not done with the H yet. The first move, the letter H says H as in hen. Spread out your arms and turn around in a circle as if the hen is protecting her eggs. Second move, the letter H says ya, as in humid. Lift your hands in the air and wiggle your fingers as if it's humid and about to rain any moment. The combination rhyme will be the letter H says H for hen and Y for humid. The letter H says H and Y. Most important for grade 1 is the H sound. Also pay attention. We seldom use the H at the end of words unless it is part of the consonant team. Build the letter H and the sound H. Let's recap. We are going to build out all the letters and sounds that we studied in term 1. You can see we built the A outside of our board on the bottom just because there's not enough space, and this is the last time we will do this exercise. So let's go. The A says A in a closed syllable. The B says B. The C says K. But if it's followed by EIY, it says S. The D says D. The E says E in a closed syllable. The F says F. The G says G. But if it's followed by EIY, it says J. The H says H. We're not going to add the second sound of the H because that is only a few words that you're going to study in grade 4. Let's write ham. We clap it out. H, A, M. Build the sounds. H, A. The teacher will lead M. We can all hear it's the short sound of the letter A. That is why it is a closed syllable. And now the children convert the sound to the letter. H, A, and the teacher will lead M. We can all read together ham. Let's read the following word. The teacher writes the word on the board and the children copy it. Now we're going to read. Before we start, we can indicate that it is a closed syllable because the word ends on a blue consonant after the red vowel. H. They haven't done I and P yet, so the teacher needs to help them here. The I says E for igloo. The P says P for pen. Now we all clap it together. H, I, P, hip. Remember to explain with a picture or a sentence the meaning of the word. Remember on the first day to do manipulation, where you can replace, for example, the I with an O, and the word will become hop. Let's recap the lesson. Children must know the name H and the sounds H and Y. They must be able to find the H letter in written text and to write the capital letter and lowercase letters correctly. They must also be able to type the H on a keyboard with the correct finger.